1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Project. Full history, review, and specifications. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is one of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time. Known for its bold design, aggressive stance, and high-performance engine options, it represents the golden era of Detroit muscle. The 1970 model year marked the peak of the Chevelle's performance evolution, making it a favorite for car enthusiasts and a prime candidate for restoration or performance build projects today. A Project Chevelle refers to a partially complete or unrestored car, usually a base for customization, performance upgrades, or full factory restoration. Enthusiasts and collectors value project cars because they offer a blank canvas to create something truly personal while preserving a piece of automotive history. Historical background. Chevrolet first introduced the Chevelle in 1964 as part of its mid-size lineup. By 1970, it had evolved into a muscular, aggressive-looking vehicle, capable of competing with legends like the Dodge Charger, Ford Mustang, and Plymouth Roadrunner. The 1970 Chevelle received a major redesign with sculpted body lines, a revised grille, dual headlights, and optional cowl induction hoods. The SS 454 version of the Chevelle was among the most powerful production cars of the time and remains a highly sought-after model. Exterior design. The 1970 Chevelle featured a long, wide, and low profile with bold body lines and a strong stance. Its front end had a wide split grille, flanked by dual headlights, while the rear showcased quad taillights and a clean, muscular look. Options included racing stripes, chrome bumpers, hood scoops, and vinyl tops. Depending on trim and body configuration, it was available as two-door coupe, four-door sedan, convertible, station wagon. Project cars often begin as rusty shells or roller bodies, but restoration allows enthusiasts to customize paint, wheels, and trim to their liking. Interior features. The Chevelle's interior in 1970 was available in both bench and bucket seat configurations, with materials ranging from vinyl to cloth. It had a simple dashboard layout with circular gauges, a center console in some trims, and optional features such as air conditioning, AM/FM radio, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. Project builds often include upgrading the interior with custom gauges, aftermarket sound systems, racing seats, or factory-correct restorations. Engine and performance options. The 1970 Chevelle offered a wide range of engines, and performance varied based on trim and configuration. Some of the most notable engine options include base engines, 250 cubic inch, 4.1 liter, inline -6, 155 horsepower, 307 cubic inch, 5.0 liter, V8, 200 horsepower. Performance engines, 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter, V8, 250 to 300 horsepower. 396 cubic inch, 6.5 liter, V8, 325 to 375 horsepower, marketed as 402 cubic inches due to bore increase. 454 cubic inch, 7.4 liter, V8, LS5, 360 horsepower. 454 cubic inch, 7.4 liter, V8 LS6, 450 horsepower, underrated, 500 pounds-feet torque. The LS6 454 Chevelle SS was one of the most powerful production cars of its time. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds and complete the quarter mile in approximately 13 seconds. Most models featured rear-wheel drive, and performance versions came with limited slip differentials and optional posy traction. Suspension and handling. The Chevelle used a coil spring suspension system with independent front suspension, double wishbone, 4-link rear suspension. Though not built for precision handling, the Chevelle offered a comfortable ride with decent road manners for its size. Modern project builds often include suspension upgrades such as tubular control arms, performance shocks, rear sway bars, disc brake conversions, braking and safety. Factory brakes included. Front disc brakes, optional. Rear drum brakes. Safety features were minimal by modern standards, but could include lap belts, energy absorbing steering column, padded dash. Project cars typically benefit from modern upgrades such as four-wheel disc brakes, dual master cylinders, modern harness systems. Why the Chevelle is a popular project car. Timeless muscle car design, availability of aftermarket parts, strong enthusiast community, tuning and engine swap potential, LS swaps, pro touring builds, high resale value for well-built restorations. The Chevrolet Chevelle Project Car is a true legend in the world of American performance. Whether one seeks a factory-correct restoration or a modernized restomod, the Chevelle offers endless potential. Its striking design, raw power, and iconic status make it a dream build for collectors, builders, and muscle car enthusiasts alike.